Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing, this is probably going to be the last time we ever come here, but we're back at the construction site that used to be abandoned and now it's turned into this. Everywhere you look, it's covered in different places, everywhere. Alright, so you got the inside area here, looking all around, and then we went up there, well Jamie went up there, I went through this window over there, then we came in and then we saw this. It looks like one of those Call of Duty games. So on the glasses and these things here. Do you know what we should do? We should do one of those things, put the glasses over the camera, just have the thing. Do you want to do that? Good. Guys, we keep hearing someone in there. We don't know what's going on. Here's my weapon. I've got nothing. I'm going to go come this, so I'm going to go across there. Let's hope I don't fall. Oh, sick. Wait up. You're just chipping the blocks. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Yes. Oh god, look at me. Forget about that one. Of course you go the hard way. Yeah. Screw on here. I swear someone will. No. Alright, I'll grab the camera. Right, I'll go. Oh, we've got a broom there. Oh my, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is new. I think that goes through a chimney. No, a chimney's there. What's down here? Oh, nothing. If I drop my phone down there, oh my gosh, that would be worse. Right, you can get, oh my god. Oh my god. How high is it? Right guys, I'll just quickly show you the drop. Oi. Big drop. There's another one at the other side, you coming? Right, I'm trying my best to get one-handed. Do you want to go camera? Yeah. Right. Whoa. Got some water down here. Should we do 100-foot water bottle flip? Even though there's no lid. Right, you ready? Are you ready? 100. Insane 100-foot water bottle flip gone wrong in the hood. Right, are you ready? Yep. If that landed. Imagine that. What's down here? Oh. Look, we can legit climb onto the roof. But I'm not sure if it's stable enough. What's he doing? I don't want to get my I'm going to go back down. Let's see the whole view though. Right, hold this. Yeah. I don't want to get seen by anyone over there. Just got a spun on my head. What are you talking about? Where even is it? Right there, what are you talking about, mate? Oh! Guess what? What? Well, I'm not on the floor's right down there. I'm not even on the floor. Look. All these houses, I don't get I think that's the only house that's going to ever see. Jamie, what did you just throw? Just throw up. Oh. GTA style. Ready? Sorry, Ad.
Oh, let's go this way.
Yeah. So we're currently 3 stories high on scaffolding.
Yeah, and me and Jamie has found these knives that we used to use when we came in. It used to have red string, but red string broke. Oh.
Right.
Now look at this place.
I'm going to go around and see what's there.
Oh, look, his nails again, not Jamie.
Ready? Oh yeah. Right, I'm gonna have to climb down. Whoa. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get. Right, okay. If I keep up this, I'll go over and you pass me the chair.
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go over anyway. Do you see what I mean? Random noises. I just whack my leg. What's going on? Someone's got to be here because it's not even windy.
Guys, we are not alone in this place. Do you think this house would be pretty nice? Like
Again! Guys, we've got to go at this.
this one? No. Where's Brandon? Oh my gosh. He's got the saw. I'm gonna make. Oh, that's cool. Right. Yeah, yeet! Okay.
Who remembers the vlog where I put this tape on? It's still on there, they haven't taken it off.
No, I'm actually shaking. Oh, it's already on.
What is it?
I don't know. No, it's just someone down there. Trust me. Guys, I'm literally shaking right now. No. I'm actually shaking right now. I'm honestly. Like, I've always said this is a bad idea, but literally. No. Oh God.
Someone's called
Okay.
This ain't good, man. I'll take it. Look, my bag is down there, and we're all the way up here. I'm gonna go down again. No, don't. Oh, look, Illuminati confirmed. Someone's got to be here. Legit, we heard someone. We heard someone walk. Were you recording when it happened?
Yeah, when we had the footsteps.
Yes.
But I paused it as we're coming up there.
Good. Wait, that ladder? Okay. Oh my god, guys. This is actually really sketchy. I know, I don't even know what to do. This never happened.
I think we've only been caught in Lily. I've never been caught, so I've never really been here. I've been here 3 times. One time when it was not, one time when it was abandoned. One time when it was sort of right, and then now here.
So look guys, there's a wonderful view down there. Someone's got to be here. Look, there's a random street. We have to do it really quietly because we know someone's down there. Oh my god. What? We can't go down yet. Someone's there. Yeah. There's his glasses. I swear down guys, this ain't even a joke. Even we're scared right now. My ball's down there, my bag's down there. So Brandon's ball's down there, his bag, right there, you can see it, there, and I nearly just had a panic attack. Like, we kept hearing footsteps, and then like, I was shaking, and then that's why I posted a video, and then I was like, I just couldn't breathe. I think whoever was there. I knew it. I told you this. Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Oh, I swear down. I was just like,
Guys, someone was literally there.
you made it.
You could tell because you could hear someone walking and all.
And then we heard one of the bars bang.
We didn't see the guy, but you could hear someone walking.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you tomorrow.